Bula! Hey everybody, Baron and Brent Bruno, and Wananavu, as we say in Fijian. This is awesome, amazing, incredible architectural masterpiece on Naisoso Island, and this is about 10 minutes from the international airport. This is a freehold property, and this is literally the best that you are going to see here. It is amazing. Look at the beautiful Sambeto mountain views. We are on the riverfront here. Gorgeous mangroves. We are going to go and check out this amazing home. I mean, just put your screen on pause and take some notes. Walk with me. This basically is split into 4 bedrooms, 2 here, 2 there, and you're just going to want to see the ocean views of Nandi Bay when we get upstairs as well. But look at this pool. This is like resort style and then some. Huge barbecue. This has generator, backup water. And look at these wardrobes, massive, brand new. This place comes fully furnished, decked out, and everything is literally brand spanking new. This is not lived in, and you can be the first owner. These soaking tubs alone, beautiful. Look at that living wall, double sinks. You're gonna want to see, look at this double showers. Oh, amazing. All right, so we're gonna walk through. Here's your private toilet area and great storage for all your belongings. Look at that. Great mirror. Bula! All right, here is the great room. So this is a 2-level home, beautiful tiling. All these furnishings come with the home. And the valuer was just here moments ago. They're gonna do a revaluation of this property. The owner has several properties that he's built, and he is willing to give this one up below valuation. Look at this architectural design. See that right there? That is Nandi Bay. Straight across from it is actually Denarau Island. My office is literally straight across there. And you are close to Nandi International Airport. And of course, the restaurants, retail, everything is super close here. And you're gonna see similar designs. So if you have kids, all these rooms, 4 beds, 4 baths, all the same, all massive rooms with these wardrobes. Look at that, mountain swimming pool views with that artificial turf, so you never have to mow the grass. Tropical landscaping, river view. All right, this is, oh man, this place is just off the charts. You gotta come here and see this. Even if you don't buy it, you just have to come here and have a look. Half bath down here for guests. So again, 4 bed, 4.5 bath, if you're considering that. Huge laundry area, by the way. Look at that. And you have access to the side yard there with your generator, and also the water tank, and access to the swimming pool. And here's your double car enclosed garage. And you got a few toys in there. Look at that. That could be yours as well. Fun, 2 buggies. Okay, walk with me now, and we're gonna go upstairs and be ready to be blown away with these views. It's just spectacular. The architecture here, look at the stairs, look at the woodwork. There you go. Look at that, that's Nandi Bay right there. You can see the double car enclosed garage. There's one of your neighbors. Look at how, I mean, it's like the White House in the United States. Gargantuan homes. These lots are huge. And everybody living here, this is the top of the top when it comes to executives, business leaders, influencers, key decision makers here in Fiji. So here is your room on the upper left. We're gonna take a look at this covered patio and these just gorgeous vistas. Look at this. Wow. So peaceful, so quiet. Just the birds singing. Okay, walk with me. Another view of the upper bedroom. And we have several of this owner's homes available, both for rent and for sale. And if you want to find out more, go to professionalsfiji.com, call us +679 999 2051, and we can tell you all the details and get you property valuation for this property. But if you want to rent something like this, we have homes like this that you can rent as well, but this one is for sale. And look at this. I mean, you've got to see this. I'm telling you, you've got to get over here. So you have mountain, river views here. This is the sleeping giant. Traditional Fijians, you see it looks like a sleeping giant there. So, and the architecture here is just beautiful. Here's your private boat jetty. So you can take your own boat and you can get big boats in here. You can see a little small one of the neighbors have on each side. And you can take these right out to Nandi Bay, and you can go out to the Mamanutha or Isawa Islands and do some of the great pelagic fishing, world-class surfing at Cloudbreak and restaurants. And of course, there's so many 5-star resorts that way. But look at that. It's like a museum shot, isn't it? Gorgeous. All right, we're going to show you the final bedroom. And I hope you're taking notes, and I hope that we see you here in Fiji, because things are turning around. Everyone's getting more optimistic and positive and happy, and we hope you are too. And you could see yourself just soaking in that tub after you've gone out to all these incredible beaches. Maybe you went fishing and caught yourself some great tuna or a walu or wahoo or some great local snapper, and you can grill it up on your grill just down here and bring your friends and your family and your coworkers and other executives and come and enjoy this epic home. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Again, go to professionalsfiji.com, find out more about this architectural masterpiece and all of the listings we have. Again, the number +679 999 2051. And one last look, and you could see yourself sitting right here, you and your husband or your wife, your significant other, and you're going to just be checking all of these views out. We look forward to hearing from you soon. We hope you're having a beautiful day, and we'll see you here soon. Vinaka.